I thought I'd wear my Grinch hat for today's video as the Santa rally has not come. We have taken one hell of a gaping. I guess we were all bad boys and girls. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back by Wholesale. I hope, of course, you are all well. Back doing the videos the old way. I actually feel a wee bit out of sorts, not using the green screen. But I thought I'd show you, the Christmas tree is up. It is the season to be jolly. It is what it is. The stock market has been one hell of a gaping. There's no doubt about that. And if we get straight in, US equity markets finished the week lower as the Federal's latest interest rate hikes disappoint. Retail sales data triggered a steep sell-off. For the week, the Dow 1.7, S&P 2.1, Nasdaq 2.7. Treasury yields fell as recession fears gripped global bond markets. The big takeaway from the Fed meeting, and we covered all of this in the Discord at the time. I watched the full, painful as it was, the full, boring Jerome Powell talk just nonsense. These guys have lost all control. They're saying that, well, I still don't think we're going to have a recession. We don't call it a recession if there's growth. They have decreased their growth to 0.5%. That was different than what the last quarter projection were. It is now 0.5. That is why the stock market has shrunk, because it's going, yeah, we're heading for a recession. We're already there. We know we're already there. The Fed are still in denial of it. They haven't got a clue. They also came out and said, we're in this channel, I was hoping that we would have potential pivot Q2, sort of, the next 6 months, give or take, sometime next year, we were hoping for a pivot. They have came out and literally said there will be no change in stance unless we see change in the data, but they reckon there will be no change in 2023 and the markets have sunk like a stone. It's very understandable why the markets have reacted the way they have. They were all baking in, myself included, that the easing would start. It would be either the same kind of stance as last time and easing would start and the markets would rally. Didn't think this was the end. I felt a lot more pain to come and there is a lot more pain to come in any scenario that I was looking at. However, in this little tiny period, I anticipated that fundamentally the easing would give it a rally, get the horn going again. There is no horn, and we are as dry as Moses' sandals. And you can see the asset classes, not a lot's changed. Bitcoin, one hell of a gaping. I sold my Binance Bitcoin just because Binance looked uncertain. I put in the Discord, Binance audit trails, it's an absolute mess. Do believe that Binance are on the ropes. A lot of exchanges are on the ropes. Most of my money is in Konami, private wallets, paper wallets, all different places, trying to minimize the risk. I'm not worried about Bitcoin long term. I'm worried about the exchanges. I'm worried about getting hold of my Bitcoin, which is just crazy. Binance was the next one that was really concerning me. I sold all my Shiba. I'm no longer in Shiba. Wish I could have held up, but I sold my Shiba, sold my Bitcoin, and thankfully I did, because it actually is sunk another 8% or something, or 6%, something like that. Bitcoin has sunk since then, so I'm kind of got lucky that way. I'm out of Binance. Good riddance. Never again. App deleted. Earnings we got here. You can have a look. Again, pause the video. It'll all be shared in my Discord as always. A slowing housing market. Housing market starting to decline in the closer to home, the UK. It's saying they reckon in 2023 the housing market will decline by 8%. That's a projection. That is one hell of a gaping. We've already seen about a 2%. So we're talking 10% pullback in the housing market over roughly a 12-month period. Ho, ho, ho. Holy crap. Things that could change the market and give us any glimmer of hope will be the PCE, the personal consumption expenditure. The PCE price index is the US Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of inflation as it tracks consumer purchasing decisions more accurately than the consumer CPI data. So look, that's the recap. That's what's coming forward this week. What can I say? The Fed meeting sunk it. We've seen mass sell-offs. Markets are brutal. One hell of a gaping. Argo looks to be going bankrupt. 2022 was the year of the game. I think there's another year of gaping to come, and I've covered you in videos over the last 6 months about how potentially this will just be like a sideways market for the next decade. It's not good. It's really not good, but there is winners and there's always going to be losers. Tesla is being a heartbreaker. It's fell below support levels. It is gone. Will we see above 200 in the next year? I don't know. It's really unlikely. Even look at the likes of Elon Musk's tweets. If you follow him, I have them all coming in the Discord. He's saying things like, oh, Tesla will be fine long term. Twitter will be good for Tesla long term. Short term, he's saying Tesla does not control the microeconomics of the world right now, and he's right. The volatility and all the stuff that's going on, Tesla, no stock is going to escape it. That's what we're saying. Brutal. He's also saying, don't go leveraged. Told people in the Discord, told friends and family, Christmas is cancelled. This is one hell of a game. This is the next level. Put this in my Discord. All the alerts, all the prices, when you should top up. Anyone that topped up in and around the 170 mark like I did, I told pinch, don't be buying no dips. Wait until we get around this 140 mark. Maybe consider nibbling in right down to about 130. Next level then will be 110. Also put in some of my trades I did buy at 168 on the 12th. On the dream that the support level was going to hold up. Was happy at the time. It did rally the next day, and then it all went to yeah. So sit here, so much negative news about Tesla. Even the birds are out, folks. Buckle up. I'm going to do something I don't normally say, but look to buy these dips. Wider market crash in 2023 is coming. And I said I'm going to be buying Jim Cramer style on every support level on the way down. Looking at 115, next level to buy for me. 90-ish was my worst case scenario. Then I'm Ian Beelan, and that is the truth. So if we go back to the charts, you know, this kind of range here to me is the lows. I would absolutely hope that that's going to be the lows. You know, you're talking in and around a sort of 78% pullback from the highs to the lows, kind of in line with what most stocks seem to do in other recessions. So, but if that was to play out, you're looking at another 40% downside. So it's going to be one hell of a bumpy road over the next 12 months, no doubt about it. The SPY starting to go down. We can see here, it just looks horrible. We didn't get above our levels. We got rejected and we are starting to sell off. Looking for a retest then of the 363 area. Will it bounce? Will it gape? I believe it will gape hard, really, really hard in 2023. Do not expect 2023 to be anything good. The only positive will be that I believe that will be the bottom. You will see the lows of whatever this market's going to do, but it could very well just go sideways and we could still be in the lows in a year's time from now. It might just go up and down, up and down. That is why swing trading has been my friend, especially over the last 12 months. I highly recommend people understand how swing trading works. You can make a lot of money in this recession, depression, global collapse that is coming. If that makes you nervous though, I would just consider dollar cost averaging, timing your buys, RSI style, free one. Buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here. Just every time it gets down to here, RSI gets down to these levels, no matter what stock you're buying. If it's a good stock, obviously, don't be buying crap. You don't need to buy crap. I've seen some people saying, I'm going to jump on this little bit of magic. I'm going, why are you jumping on a high risk play right now? Don't go near high risk plays. Don't go near leverage unless you're very confident leverage, or if it's 1, 2, 3%, you know, 3 times leverage, something like that. It's a bit more manageable. But any big serious leverage, do not go near it. The fix, the volatility is crazy. Avoid leverage. Avoid crap stocks. Good stocks, plenty of liquidity, will see out no matter what gets through at them. It could be a bumpy year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Let's be honest, 2023 though, the bottom, in my opinion, will come, and hopefully we do see some sort of pivot. You just got to buckle up. You've got to just enjoy Christmas. Which brings me to my next point. I'm going to not be doing a video next Sunday. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but it's the 25th of December. It is the day of the Lord. I will be spreading legs and giving a good old stuffing to a turkey. So I will not be doing a look ahead video. The following Sunday is actually the 1st of January. New Year's, the first day of 2023. One hell of a gaping, probably will kick it all off. I will not be doing a look ahead video that week either. I'm just going to enjoy the time. I'll put it in the Discord all the holiday times for the trading. It's going to be a bit obviously all over the place the next couple of weeks. But listen, enjoy what matters. Family, friends, time, your health, your wealth. Protect it. Learn to trade. Don't be putting all your money, all your eggs in any baskets. Trading will always be there. It doesn't stop, baby. It doesn't stop. But it is scary. You just have to try your best to understand all this economic craziness that is going on, and just trade safe. It's all I can say. I hope you have found this video informative. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Have a great new year. I hope that you have enjoyed the videos over the 2022 period. I am sorry that it's been, actually when I first started this, the first year was all bullish. Oh, we're going to the moon. So many great trades. This year it's just been like, oh, we're winning on our shorts. Everything's gaping. And I have been doing well on my shorts. Yes, I'm still in my shorts. I've been averaging the shorts for the last 6 months. Anyone that knows me, anyone that knows the channel, that's what I've been doing as a hedge. So how's my portfolio looking? Obviously more in long positions. I have hurt, especially the stuff I bought recently, but the short positions are keeping my portfolio well hedged, and I'm in TLT, which has been doing well too. So look, I can look at stocks, I can look at that, but I honestly highly recommend, if your money's in, leave it in. If you're thinking about selling, make the decision and sell, and just take the foot off the gas and enjoy the next couple of weeks. The winter sale, of course, is still on, £99. And then come the new year, I might do a raffle, old school, maybe get a bit of excitement going, try and do a bit of a giveaway. I'm really excited for 2023 from a personal point of view. Plenty of good things coming. Really hope you are all well. This video is all about how to become a millionaire. That will give you a bit of positivity. It's a bullish video. It's simple things that you can do now to dramatically change your future. I will catch you in the next video if God spares me. I love you all. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.